Hello everyone. You are all aware of the importance of essay paper for UPSC mains examination. Simply put, it can make a difference of you getting a top rank and a desired service and you writing prelims again. Now, the nature of topics in your essay has changed in the past couple of years. Topics have got a little bit of trickier and scoring has got a lot trickier. Now, the common challenges which UPSC aspirants face in their essay writing are understanding and doing justice to the topic, generating arguments, analysis, substantiating them with unique examples, and writing two distinct essays for part A and part B. In order to overcome the above mentioned challenges and to enable aspirants prepare their essay in a short amount of time but effectively, I'm very happy to announce that InsightsIAS is launching Essay Edge course. This course integrates strategy and practice classes, 9 tests, along with best-in-class guidance during and after the course. The following are the features of InsightsIAS Essay Edge course. First, we'll start with a baseline test. Now, what is this baseline test? This is a test which you will give with very minimal preparation. This will help me understand your current proficiency of your essay writing skills. Based on that, I will help you improve it. You will be provided with a unique course book. In that course book, you will give and write all your strategy as well as your essays. This course book will help me give you integrated feedback because most of the courses in the market provide very detached feedback. But here in Essay Edge course, you will get a integrated feedback. Then it will be followed by skill enhancement sessions. In this skill enhancement sessions, you will be focused on evolving your skills of essay writing. This will be followed by regularly intervalled tests. In these tests which you will write, I will provide you with detailed evaluation and one-on-one feedback by me. At the midpoint in the course, you will be given a S.W.O.T analysis template or SWOT analysis template. Now, this SWOT analysis template contains your major strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats with respect to your essay writing. This template I have already used with previous year's toppers such as Dhamini M. Das of 2022 and Manoj Kumar of 2021. After that, you will continue writing your tests provided with expertise enhancement classes. At the fag end of your course, you will be getting a unique value added material. This unique value added material prepared by me will help you add unique examples, unique arguments to your essays. To summarize what you will get as part of Essay Edge course, you will get 11 classes, 9 tests including 1 baseline test, detailed evaluation with one-on-one feedback from my end is guaranteed, unique value added material, the course book. Most importantly, you will get continued support from my end even after the course. More details about the course are provided in the description below. Hope you make best use of InsightsIAS Essay Edge course by me, Rahman. All the best.